Hello, welcome back to my video. Here why holding $20,000 will be critical in this week's $1 billion Bitcoin option expiry. Bitcoin revision between August 15 and 19 as it tried the $20,000 support. While the drop is frightening as a general rule, $4,000 value distinction is somewhat, particularly when one record for Bitcoin 7% instability. Right now, the S&P 500 instability remains at 31%, which is altogether lower, yet the recorded exchange down 9% between June 8 and June, thus talking the record of major US recorded organization converted a more unexpected development adapted to the variable gamble metric. Toward the beginning of this current week, crypto financial backer option desired after more vulnerable circumstance in Chinese housing market constrained the national bank to its 5-year credit prime rate on August 22. Beside a Goldman Sachs speculation bank planner expressed the inflationary strain will drive the U.S. central bank to additionally fix the economy, which adversely influenced the S&P 500. No matter what the relationship amongst stocks and Bitcoin, which is at finance running at 18 or 100, financial backer will quite often look for cover in the US dollar and expansion safeguarded securities when they dread an emergency of market slump. This development is known as a trip to quality and will in general include selling pressure or Chinese business sector, including cryptographic form of money. In spite of the bear's earnest adjustment, Bitcoin has not had the option to break beneath the $20,000 support. This development makes sense of why the $1 billion Bitcoin month choice expiry on August 26 could help bulls regardless of the new 16% Mr. Fortune in 5 days. Most bullish swaggers are above $22,000 Bitcoin risk adjustments to neglecting to break the $25,000 on August 15 mass balls on the ground that just 12% of the call choice for the month-to-month expiry have been put above $22,000 subs. Bitcoin bears are better situated despite the fact that they put down less swaggers. See you. Thank you for watching.